Throughout Shropshire, publicly accessible water rescue throw lines can be found in key locations. Here's how to use one. If you spot someone in danger, call 999 and ask for the fire service. Explain someone is in the water and quote the location of the Throwline board. The operator will give you the code for the padlock as well as dispatching trained personnel to your location. Remove the Throwline bag and return to the person in need. Do not at any point enter the water yourself. Release the toggle on the bag and unpack the rope to an arm's length. Keeping a stable stance and slightly away from the water's edge, throw the bag to the person in the water whilst keeping hold of the end of the rope.
Do not wrap it around your hand or tie it to yourself in case you need to let go quickly to avoid being pulled in.
If you miss them, you can recoil the bag and throw again. Ask the person in the water to lie on their back whilst they're holding onto the rope. Pull them in slowly to the bank, maintaining a low centre of gravity. So remember, call the fire service, quote the location, get the code, throw the bag.